Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is TJ. What is your name?
My name is.
Very nice to meet you. I live in. Do you live in?
I live in.
So tell me, what is like to live in?
It is so peaceful place to live in, and all kinds of facilities are available here. Shops, restaurants, parks, cinemas, playground, schools.
So are there lots of restaurants, shops, and parks near your house?
Near my house, only there is a park and a shop.
And is the park in front of your house or behind it?
It is behind my house.
So what's in front of your house then?
There is a shop in front of my house.
So tell me, do you live alone or with your family?
I live with my family.
Fantastic. And when is your birthday?
My birthday is on.
Okay, tell me, do you work or do you study?
I work.
And what days of the week do you work?
I work from Monday to Thursday.
Okay, you do not work on Friday.
No, I do not work on Friday.
So what do you do on Friday?
I stay at home and relax.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. So let's look at some pictures now. I'll share the pictures on the screen. Okay, here you go. What's his job?
He is a chef at a restaurant.
This lady here, what's her job?
She is a doctor.
Thank you. This man here, what's his job?
He is a teacher.
And this lady here,
She is a lawyer.
thank you. And in the center, what's his job?
He is a scientist.
This man here,
He is a waiter at a restaurant.
thank you. Let's look at different pictures now.
Okay.
What are they doing?
They are watching TV.
And is he watching TV?
No, he is running.
And what is he doing?
He is cooking.
So can you cook?
Yes, I can cook.
Fantastic. So what is this person doing?
He is swimming.
Is this person here writing?
No, he is reading a book.
And do you do any of these activities in your free time?
Yes, I like running in the morning.
Thank you. Now ask me about my free
Do
time.
you get enough free time?
Yes, I think so. I get pretty much enough time to relax and enjoy. So I think I get enough free time. So you said your house is near the park.
Yes.
Can you give me directions from your house to the park?
You go right and then go straight and take the second right and walk till you reach the front of the park.
Fantastic, thank you. And were you at the park yesterday?
Yes, I was in the evening time.
Okay, and what was the weather like there?
It's very cold.
Thank you very much for talking to me. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.